What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy Marlon O.Bennett, the original student of the game on internet marketing. Guys, let me cut this radio off real quick. I was on my way to get my car washed because it is filthy, dirty. But guys, I was actually sitting out front today, just enjoying this beautiful summer weather, right? And my postcards came, guys. And so, of course, I'm always super pumped up and super excited, right? But I'm really super pumped up and excited today, guys, because for anybody who's looking for a business to start, you know, you want to start your own home-based business, right? You want to work from home, maybe just make a little bit of extra income. Well, guys, today you're in luck because I'm going to show you guys how you can start your own home-based business mailing postcards. Okay, just simply mailing postcards. You don't have to do anything online, although the actual business is intertwined with internet marketing. All you have to do is mail postcards, guys. If you can mail postcards, you can start your own home-based business, right? You can work from home and you can make extra money. Check this out, guys. I just got the box today. I just got 1,500 of these bad boys, right? Hey, I've been talking to you guys about my instant payment method, right? And so you guys know I've been setting myself up to integrate my business into the direct mail response, right? Because most of the business I've been doing over the last 2.5, 3 years has been online. Now, this business, guys, is beautiful because you can operate it online or you can operate it offline. And I ordered these postcards right before the Memorial Day weekend, guys, and I thought it would be a week before they came. The postcards came today, guys. When I tell you that you can start your own home-based business really fast and get started, that's what I mean, guys. But anyway, if you guys, here's the postcard, guys. You can't really see it that good, but you're going to have an opportunity to see it better. But it's a beautiful postcard, guys, just filled with all kinds of great sales psychology. And if you can lick a stamp, guys, and you can purchase home business buyer opportunity seeker leads, and I'm going to tell you guys more about that when and if you join. After you join, then you can start this. Okay, you can do this. Now, guys, this is what I want to say. A lot of people don't want to be online doing business, you know what I'm saying? And so now what's happening, guys, first of all, let me tell you this. Direct mail marketing, direct response, direct mail has always been hot, guys. I got my start as an entrepreneur in direct mail response with my own mail order business back in the 80s, probably before a lot of you guys were even born. But the point is, back then, guys, I was able to generate $40, $50 a day with promotional things that I created on my own. Hey guys, fast forward to 2019. We ain't got to do that no more, guys. If you can mail a postcard, you can start your own business. Now, I don't expect you guys to just take my word for it, but what I do want you to do is, well, I'll tell you where I want you to go. There's going to be if you're on my YouTube video, there's going to be a link in the YouTube video. Follow the link, guys. If you guys are finding me any other way, then click the continue button. If you're finding me any other way outside of that, then go to lifechangingconcepts.com, guys. Lifechangingconcepts.com, because this is a life changer. Now, guys, this is what I want to say. I'm really excited. So I couldn't get the words out of my mouth. For all of my YouTube subscribers, you guys who are subscribed to me on YouTube, you guys know I've been talking about this. We've been leading up to this, guys. The postcards are here. They're here, guys. Check this out. This is absolutely beautiful, man, right? Beautiful. You know what I mean? You put your, hey, you gotta see it. If you're a person who's looking to start your own home-based business, if you want to work from home, if you want to just make a little extra income, make sure you go to lifechangingincome.com, guys, or you can click the link in this YouTube video description there, okay? Because that's where it's at. Okay, that's where it's at. I mean, you know, you could be a person that want to really, you might really want to fire your boss, right, guys? That could be what your intention is, and you can do that, right? It's not going to happen overnight, but ultimately you can do it. Or you might just want to make a little extra income, right? $500 a week, $500 a month. I don't know, guys, what your situation is. I don't know what you want to do. But I can tell you one thing. It doesn't get simpler and easier than mailing a postcard, okay? So if you want to learn a little bit more about my instant payment method, guys, go to lifechangingconcept.com. If you're finding me any other way outside of YouTube, and if you are on my YouTube channel, guys, and you're finding me today, right, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys, because I'm going to keep you guys abreast on everything that's going on. But it's launching today, right? I'm really, really, really excited. I just do it, guys. Do it right now. Okay? Anyway, as always, this is your boy, Marlon O.Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Go down and visit that site, guys, and check this out. You can do this, guys, okay? I'll see you guys on the next video. Keep banging.